day, dear viewers. This is Gilead and you're welcome to Gilead Show. In the show today, we are going to be talking about decision making. What's decision making in the first place? Decision making is simply the process of identifying and choosing alternatives based on the values and the preferences of the decision maker. We have two main kinds of decisions, which are program decisions and unprogrammed decisions. Program decisions are those that we once took them in the past to solve particular problems and they were fruitful. So if we have similar problems in the future, we can confidently apply them because we are sure of their outcome. But unprogrammed decisions are those that we have to make them to solve problems that we have never faced before. Like for example, you're a manager and suddenly discover that you're losing a lot of clients to your competitors. What are you going to take as a decision? You're having conflict with your spouse. What will you take as a decision? Oh, maybe you are having several suitors and you don't know who you are going to choose. What decision are you going to take? So before you take any valuable decision, you have to go through a series of steps so that you take a decision that can stand the test of time. Step number one, identify the problem and the causes of that problem. Like for example, if we take the case of you losing clients, what are the causes that are related to why you are losing clients? Step number two, gather relevant information from both the internal and the external environment. This information will help you to quickly locate the reason why you are losing a lot of clients. Step number three, identify different alternative decisions. What decision? There are different alternative decisions that you can take. Are you going to drop down price? Are you going to change the location of your business? Are you going to increase on your marketing strategies? Are you going to maybe improve on your packaging or your customer services? Those are different alternatives. So now step number four, you try to weigh the different alternatives and see which one will best solve the problem that you identified in step one. Step number five, make sure you select the best alternative. And step number six, put it into practice. Step number seven, you try to consider the results and evaluate to see the outcome. Is it going to be of benefit to you or is it going to be of a disadvantage? If it's of a disadvantage, then you can go over the process all over again, or you can even change and take a different alternative. But before you make decisions, it is always important to consider a series of factors. Like for example, before you take a decision, consider cost. The decision you're about to take, is it going to be too costly for you? How is it going to affect your finances? Another factor you can also consider is passion. The decision that you're going to take, is it in line with your passion and your priorities? The decision you're about to take, is it going to affect you and affect others as well? The decision you're going to take, you try to weigh the pros and the cons and make sure you take only the decision that has more pros than the cons, because any wrong decision that you take can be very, very disastrous. Like it can lead to the collapse of an institution, it can lead to emotional stress, it can lead to unhealthy relationship, it can lead to poor quality of life, it can lead to a lot of negative, it can lead even to death if you take a wrong decision. You live in pain, in emotional pain. So dear viewers, those are some of the strategies that we can put in place when we are taking a decision. We do not rush when we are taking a decision. When you have a problem in your hand, try to go through those steps, consider the factors before you go ahead to take your decision. Thank you for following me in today's program. If you're watching me for the first time, make sure you click on subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to receive a signal. And hey, don't forget to share this video to your friends and loved ones. Thank you for following me in today's program. Stay tuned to my subsequent programs and videos.